Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes children. In last week, you learned about Spices of India Supplementary. Is it? Today, you are going to learn third part of this supplementary. But before going into today's topic, I just want you to recall last class topic also. In last class, we saw that spices trade plays an important role in India's trade. India traded spices with so much of countries like Mesopotamia, China, Sumeria, Egypt and Arabia. Along with perfumes and textiles as far as 7,000 years ago before Roman and Greek civilization. Before Roman and Greek civilization itself, India started to trade spices with many of the countries. I hope you all remember this, children. Please try to go through all the videos which we post, okay? In Indian epics and in writings dating back to the Roman emperor in the first CE talk about cloves. You know all about the cloves, is it? In Indian epics also, some of them wrote about these cloves before 1st century CE itself. Many years back itself, India is very famous for spices trading. So, please try to understand all the topics which we gave to you. And this is 1 pound of ginger is equal to 1 price of sheep. And then 1 pound of maize is equal to price of 3 ships. And pepper is called as crown jewel of all the spices. Which spice is called as crown jewel of all the spices? Pepper is called as the crown jewel of all the spices. By recalling each and every topic, you should go through all the videos, children. You have some of the important one words. When we recall, please do concentrate and recall, okay? One of the important one word in this section is crown jewel of spices. Which spice is called as crown jewel of spices? Yes, pepper is called as the crown jewel. It is the important spice in the sense. Okay, children? Okay, fine kids. Come, let's move on to today's topic. Okay, children? Cardamom, cloves, ginger, maize and nutmeg were some of the other spices that left Indian shores to flavor the world's kitchen. Some of the other spices also traded by India, that is left the Indian shores in the sense they traded with other countries by using water transport. Seashore, you know the seashore beach, is it? By using water transport, India sold some of the other spices like cardamom, cloves, ginger, maize and nutmeg. Okay, to flavor the world's kitchen. All over the world, India sold so much of spices also. Using spices in cooking has a long history. It may go back as far as 52,000 years ago. Though we cannot know for sure how men came to use spice. It is quite possible that it was by chance. However, spices have played a vital role in our food now for a long time. In earlier centuries, spices were not easily available and were very expensive. Thus, spice traders become rich. Pepper, cinnamon no longer cost for a fortune. However, while they seem to have lost their glory and value, they will never lose their place in a kitchen, especially an Indian one. Here they are telling that 52,000 years ago, spices played an important role in cooking. So that spices have so much of long history. And also, spice traders became rich. Now we are going to see about black pepper. I will explain it to you soon. Okay, children, listen about this. Black pepper, also known as black gold, was the most prized spice traded from the Kerala coast. Indians have been using black pepper for a very long time. Farmers began growing it in around 5000 years ago and exported it to North and West Asia. The trade soon spread to Greece, Rome, Europa, and China, and also became popular in Islamic emperor. Recipes from rich Roman households show the value of the spice in ancient Rome. The Rome sent 120 ships a year from Egypt to trade with India and bring back enormous quantities of pepper. By reading about this black pepper, many of you come to know about the ancient history of the black pepper. One of the important words is it's a first line because black pepper is also called as black gold. This is one of the important words. Other name of black pepper is black gold. Or which spice is called as black gold means black pepper. So by go through your lesson, you should also cover one words. Then only it will be easy to answer. Okay? And also farmers began to growing pepper 5000 years ago itself. Farmers began to grow black pepper. And also Kerala traded black pepper in heavy cost by selling very high amount, very higher price. They traded black pepper to other parts of the country. Now I am going to explain all about this again with some of the pictures. Cardamom, cloves, ginger, maize and nutmeg left Indian shores to flavor the world's kitchen. You know all about these spices, is it? Did you saw all these spices which I mentioned here? Cardamom, cloves, ginger and maize and nutmeg. You can see it in picture now. I also mentioned names of the various spices. Okay children, this is one of the important points. Again, this is about pepper. Kerala exported pepper from North and South Asia. To North and South Asia, Kerala exported pepper. Okay. And most prized trade from Kerala coast. Kerala people charged very high for this pepper. And also trade spread to various parts of the countries like Greece, Rome, Europe, China and Islamic emperor. And one more important thing is pepper is called as black gold. And also they started to grow 5000 years ago. And then Romans sent 120 ships a year from Egypt to bring pepper from India. See how clever Romans are? Because they sent 120 ships a year. Per year they sent 120 ships to India to bring back pepper from India. To get a pepper, they sent 120 ships to India. So far you learnt about spices, various types of spices and also mainly ancient history about these spices and how India traded spices in ancient times, in old times, how India traded spices. You all come to know about this in this section. Okay children, I am very happy that most of you are doing your homeworks, but some other are not doing your homework. And in last class I gave you homework about cinnamon. I just want you a quick recall of this cinnamon topic. Okay, adds flavor and helps to preserve. The Chinese wrote about it in 175 BCE ago itself. World pay a good price. It also a very costly spice in ancient days. And then India uses it for a long time. As Indians, we are using this cinnamon for a very long time. Greeks, Romans and Egyptians brought cinnamon from India. See, various country people brought cinnamon from India only. Countries like Greek, Romans and Egyptians, they also brought cinnamon from India. Yes, Venetians, Greek grew rich by selling the cinnamon brought to Europe. Some of the Venetians also become rich by selling this cinnamon. They cost very high and also they become rich. So far I completed about cinnamon also, children. Already you learned in last class, then this is just a simple recap of last class topic also. Okay. Now today I completed third supplementary, that is Spices of India. In this supplementary I overall covered all the topics which were given here. Spices of India supplementary covers topic like ancient history of the spices and healthy trade, adventure and cost of the spices, and Europeans like Vasco da Gama and Christopher Columbus, and tasty flavor, export and also nutritious values of the spices, and voyages of the people to find out the spices. So far I covered all this topic. This is just a mind map for you. Just keep it all these things in your mind. Spices of India supplementary gives you a clear attention about ancient history of the spices and how healthy our spices are. And this is your book bag exercise, children. This is your worksheet for you. So try to write answers on your own. I am not going to help you this time. This time you are going to write all the one words on your own. Okay? Try to get help from your siblings, that is your brother or from your sister, or at the end of the day we will post the answers. Okay? Try to do your best. Okay? So that you can understand it easily. By doing on your own, you can understand easily. So today's homework is you are going to fill this worksheet on your own. Okay, children? I gave the options in the end also. You are going to write clearly. Okay? If you have any doubt, please call me. Okay, children? Thank you so much, children. Bye.